Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying power and connection, because no light usually equals no power. First, plug the mouse into a known good USB port or swap the cable. Damaged wires often interrupt LEDs. If wireless, install fresh batteries or charge for 30 to 60 minutes and confirm the power switch is on. Once done, try a different PC to isolate the issue. These steps eliminate basic supply and connection failures before you move on to firmware or hardware fixes. Next, you diagnose hardware versus software. Open Device Manager and scan for driver errors. A bad driver can disable LED control even if the mouse works. Update or reinstall the vendor's RGB utility and firmware. This often restores lighting profiles. Meanwhile, power down and open the shell if comfortable. Inspect the PCB, solder joints, and LED module for cracked traces or loose connectors. If you see corrosion or broken solder, you can reflow joints carefully. Otherwise, document findings before proceeding. Finally, you perform the repair and validate success. Attempt a factory reset or the onboard profile button sequence. Many mice restore lighting that way. If the issue is physical and you're experienced, reflow cold solder joints or replace the LED module with an identical part. Use low heat tools to avoid further damage. Once repaired, test on multiple systems and with RGB software. If lighting still fails, pursue warranty, replacement, or a cost check. One key troubleshooting tip: document each step and test after each change for quick rollback.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.